Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla appeals to Senator Bato de la Rosa to surrender amid the International Criminal Court arrest warrant against him. In an interview on Friday, May 29, Remulla says that law enforcers' search for de la Rosa has so far failed to find him. Remulla, however, says the entire police force is searching for de la Rosa across the country.
Please surrender. Gagalangin ka namin, your rights will be observed. But wag na natin patagalin to kasi baka hindi umuwi pa to sa hindi mo gusto. So, mabuti na mag-surrender ka na.
De la Rosa is wanted by the ICC over his alleged participation in former President Rodrigo Duterte's war on drugs. De la Rosa resurfaced at the Senate on May 11 but went back into hiding after leaving the Senate premises in the early hours of May 14.